Want to improve your open rates with Mailchimp? Stick around, because in this video, I'll show you strategies that can dramatically boost your email performance. Whether you're just getting started with Mailchimp or looking for ways to optimize your email marketing, these tips will help you see real results. Before we dive in, keep in mind you can try Mailchimp completely for free from the first link below, and we'll throw in some exclusive bonuses to help you get started on the right foot. Now, let's get into the good stuff. First things first, you need to nail your subject line. The subject line is the first thing your subscribers see, and it's often the deciding factor in whether your email gets opened. Make sure it's clear, concise, and most importantly, attention-grabbing. Be testing your subject lines regularly is one way to understand what resonates with your audience, so don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches. Next thing, segment your audience. If you're sending the same email to everyone on your list, you're likely missing out on opportunities to connect more personally with each subscriber. With Mailchimp, you can create targeted segments based on various factors like location, purchase history, or engagement level. This way, you can send tailored content that speaks directly to the needs and interests of your audience, which increases the chances they'll open your email. The third thing that can make a huge difference: optimize your send times. Timing matters when it comes to email open rates. Mailchimp's send time optimization feature will suggest the best time to send your emails, based on when your audience is most likely to engage. This small tweak can lead to a significant increase in open rates without any extra effort on your part. The fourth thing, clean your email list. An engaged list is a healthy list. Over time, people may stop opening your emails, and this can harm your deliverability and your open rates. Regularly clean up your list by removing inactive subscribers. Use Mailchimp's cleaning tools to automate this process and make sure your emails are going to the most engaged recipients. The cleaner your list, the better your results. Next up, personalize your emails. One-size-fits-all emails rarely get great results. Mailchimp allows you to personalize your emails with your subscribers' names, interests, and past interactions. Emails that feel tailored to the recipient are far more likely to get opened, so take advantage of Mailchimp's dynamic content features to create more personalized messages that connect with your audience on a deeper level. Now, let's talk about your email design. If your email looks unprofessional or is hard to read, your open rates will drop. Make sure your emails are visually appealing and mobile-friendly. Over half of emails are opened on mobile devices, so it's essential your emails are optimized for all screen sizes. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates that are easy to customize, ensuring your emails not only look great, but also perform well. The last thing I want to mention is your email frequency. While consistency is key, bombarding your subscribers with too many emails can lead to unsubscribes or a drop in open rates. Finding the right balance is crucial. Use Mailchimp's reporting tools to see how often your audience engages with your emails and adjust your frequency accordingly. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to improve open rates with Mailchimp. Remember, you can try out all these features for free by using the link below and getting access to exclusive bonuses. Don't forget, tweaking your email marketing strategies can make a big difference in your open rates, and with Mailchimp's powerful features, you've got everything you need to succeed. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!